Thinking about adding the Venmo credit card to your wallet? Let's break down if it's actually worth it in just 90 seconds. First, the good stuff. The Venmo credit card offers personalized rewards. This means you earn different cashback percentages based on where you spend the most. You'll get your highest reward category automatically chosen for you each month based on your spending. Another perk is Venmo Integration. Your cashback is automatically deposited into your Venmo account, making it easy to spend or send. Plus, the card has a QR code, streamlining splitting expenses with friends. Now, for the drawbacks. The variable APR can be high, so avoid carrying a balance. And while personalized rewards are nice, they might not always align with your actual spending habits. Let's compare it to other cards. Some cards offer flat-rate cashback, which can be simpler and potentially more rewarding if your spending isn't concentrated in specific categories. Other cards offer better travel perks or sign-up bonuses. So, is it worth it? If you're a frequent Venmo user who values simplicity and personalized rewards in line with your typical spending, maybe. But, if you're looking for the absolute best rewards or have significant spending outside of Venmo's typical categories, consider exploring other cashback credit card options. Ultimately, the best card for you depends on your spending. Still undecided? Leave your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips.